Let the cat out of the bag means to reveal a secret. This idiom describes accidentally or intentionally disclosing information that was meant to stay hidden. Think of a secret escaping like a cat jumping from a bag once opened. I accidentally let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. This means the speaker revealed the party plans without meaning to. The secret was no longer safe after this happened. She let the cat out of the bag about the surprise birthday party. Here someone told others about birthday plans that should have stayed secret. The surprise was spoiled because of this revelation. Tim let the cat out of the bag about my surprise birthday party. In this case, Tim revealed plans for the speaker's birthday celebration. The idiom shows how secrets get shared unexpectedly. Don't let the cat out of the bag about the promotion. This warns someone not to reveal news about a job promotion. The speaker wants the information kept confidential until the right time. The kids baked a cake, but the smell let the cat out of the bag. Even though the children tried to keep their baking secret, the smell revealed their surprise. Sometimes clues give away secrets without words. I'm getting Dad new golf clubs, but don't let the cat out of the bag. The speaker plans a gift, but asks others to keep it secret from Dad. This shows using the idiom to request secrecy about a surprise.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.